Nearly 70% of Americans are making this huge mistake with their money. Not all savings accounts are created equal, and most Americans have the wrong ones. Nearly 70% of Americans have savings accounts paying less than 2% interest, according to a survey of 1,000 consumers. 1 in 5 Meanwhile, only 14% of consumers said their savings accounts earned more than 2% APY. The national average interest rate for savings accounts is 0.09%, according to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp. For money market, but finding a savings account that can earn more than 2% interest isn't a difficult endeavor. In fact, you can and should be earning a competitive return on your savings, said Greg McBride, Chief Financial Analyst at Bankrate. Bankrate surveyed 57 financial institutions to inquire about the interest rates across 60 federally insured online savings and money market accounts. The vast majority of these accounts, 87%, paid at least 2% APY, with the average interest rate being 2.18%, and nearly all of them, 92%, were available nationwide. Moving your money into an account that earns more interest will pay off. If you put comparatively, a consumer who puts $10,000 into a savings account earning the national average rate of 0.09% would earn only $45 in interest over 5 years. The good news: there's not a significant barrier to entry when it comes to these accounts. More than half of these also see. Moreover, numerous companies have begun offering new money and banking accounts designed to earn higher interest than the standard interest rate at larger banks, including wireless company T-Mobile, robo-advisor Wealthfront, and student loan firm Sophie. One reason people are missing out on higher interest rates: bank accounts are sticky. Over a third of however, online savings accounts can easily be linked to another account at a brick-and-mortar bank or credit union. And so long as the
Raindrop, truck top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,